Hi y'all, today we're going to be making a sweet potato pie. Thanksgiving is coming here in the States, and if you're not in the States, Christmas is coming up, and sweet potato pie is just a really good pie. For this, we have some sweet potatoes. Now, I'd prefer fresh, but I waited a little too long, so I could get white sweet potatoes, but I couldn't get good sweet potatoes for this. So I am using frozen. We have some sea salt, some vanilla, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some eggs, some heavy whipping cream, sugar, and some pie crust. You can use whatever pie crust you'd like. If you'd like to make that from scratch, more than welcome. I just don't have the time. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to baking. Alright, y'all. So I'm using frozen sweet potatoes again just because of what is available to me at this time. If you're using fresh, there's multiple ways you can do this. You can go ahead, just throw them in the oven for a while until they cook. Till you can put a fork through them, and there's no resistance. And then take them out of the oven, peel them. The skin will just peel off, and then puree them up. Or you could peel them, dice them, boil them, just like you would a potato, until you can puree them up. But no matter how you're doing it, we need 2 cups of puree. Alright, y'all. When you have enough sweet potato to make about 2 cups of puree, I'm gonna be honest, I'm just guesstimating here. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this pureed up. To this, we're gonna take half a teaspoon of our nutmeg, half a teaspoon of our cinnamon, teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, and then last but not least, 2 eggs. Now we're going to go ahead and get this well mixed together. Alright, so once we have our pie filling ready, we need to get our pie crust ready. Alright, y'all. Like I said, I'm using a pre-baked pie crust, or a pre-made pie crust. You can make your own. You can use your favorite recipe. You could use a pre-made. It's up to you. Then we're just going to take our pie filling. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45-ish minutes until you can stick a toothpick in and it comes out clean. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright, y'all, and there we have it, the sweet potato pie. Amazing holiday pie for the upcoming Thanksgiving here in the States, or Christmas everywhere else. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.